Assalamu alaikum dear teachers, educators and homeschoolers. Today's video is useful for kindergarten educators as I'll be sharing my favorite kindergarten math resources. These are just a small part of my full collection, so if you'd like to explore more, I'd link the complete playlist below. Let's jump right in and take a closer look at these hands-on and digital resources designed to make math fun, visual and engaging for young learners. First up, we have fruity themed task card for practicing addition and subtraction to 5. These are perfect for building fact fluency through hands-on learning. They come in 3 versions: a full set with bright cheerful borders, an outlined version for easy printing, a Google slide version that students can solve in edit mode. Each card includes both vertical and horizontal equations, and the set comes with an answer key and recording sheet for easy checking. For best use, print and laminate the cards so students can write directly on them. The answers can be recorded in the recording sheet for easy and quick checking. Next, we have digital version using boom cards. These feature a playful mushroom-themed background and offer vertical and horizontal practice for addition and subtraction to 5. They are interactive, self-checking, and great for independent practice. Next up are boom card decks for adding and subtracting to 10 with different strategies. For students ready to go beyond 5, I have created boom card decks for addition and subtraction to 10. These decks use 6 different strategies to support fluency: drag and drop visuals, 10 frames with marbles, finger counting, number lines, counting sticks, dice. Each strategy appears in both addition and subtraction decks, giving students multiple ways to solve and understand math problems. It's a fun, interactive way to build number sense and confidence. And that's our app. I hope you enjoyed this quick peek into some of my favorite kindergarten math resources. These are just a few from my full collection. So if you're looking for more, I've got plenty to explore. From interactive boom cards covering missing errands, measuring and data, comparing numbers, composing and decomposing, and so much more. There's something for every learner. Feel free to check out the complete playlist linked below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.